What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I just realized I filmed in a whole entire intro and didn't even realize I never clicked record. That's probably one of the most important things. If I want to film an intro, I gotta click the little record button, and I did not do that. And welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Speaking of great days, it looks pretty nice outside. It's gonna be like sunny and 60, 65 today, so I'm pretty stoked to get out here today. Hopefully the bite's gonna be on. We got clear skies, springtime fishing, guys. I really hope it's gonna be good. Before we get into today's video, I do want to say this video is sponsored by Catchco and Karlsbaitandtackle. Guys, today I'm gonna be focusing on a bunch of baits by Catchco and 10,000 fish, specifically the Shimmer Swimmer. So you guys have seen me toss this. You know I've been tossing it recently, and I've been using a lot of it as a trailer, because one thing I really like about these baits is that they have the strobe strips in them, and what strobe strips do, it's like you can see it reflecting off the light right there. When this thing's going through the water column, man, and light hits that, it's reflecting off it like crazy, which is causing the bass to come in and smoke it. Another bait I'm also going to be focusing on today, pretty close, similar to that, is the Shimmer Shad. Pretty much the same thing. It's got the strobe strips and stuff, but this is meant for drop shot. You guys know I hate the drop shot, but I think it's a great springtime bait, especially when you're looking at new ponds, which I'm going to be doing today, looking at some new ponds. So I want to give this a shot. I hear some really good things about this, and I had a pack, and I was like, dude, let's do it. So if you guys are like me and you're spending a ton of money on tackle every single month, really for me, but if you guys want to save at least 20 to 30% on all this stuff and get free shipping on all name brand products pretty much, click the link down in my description below. It's going to bring you over to Karlsbaitandtackle. All you gotta do is sign up. It's $50 for the year. You get like Guggen baits, you get other name brand stuff, up to 30% off and free shipping on all orders. Because when you're buying baits as much as I do, trust me, you're gonna want it. So I'm not gonna say any more. We're gonna drive about 25 minutes. We're gonna start the pond hopping today. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. Sorry for the long intro, but had to tell you guys what was the plan today. And also, thank you so much for 8,800 subscribers. You guys are unreal. We're going at an unreal pace right now. Thanks to you guys, all your love and support. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. And I'm done talking. I swear, I'm done talking. And I'll see you guys at the pond. Let's do it. Okay, guys, we are at spot numero 3. We got no fish on the day, and I just Google mapped the crap out of this one. It looks like we got some murky water. We got some stained water. I guess I think I'm just gonna start like right here and just cast out and see what happens. I guess. I mean, can't see anything. It is. Oh my gosh, this water's stained. I've never seen water this stained before around here, so this will definitely be interesting. Might have to switch up to like a black and blue chatterbait with the Shimmer Swimmer on. But I think I'm just gonna toss around this drop shot, and I don't know, man. This is interesting. I mean, this is it could either pay off big time or we're gonna get absolutely nothing. So we'll see. Hopefully there's a big payout though. Maybe we'll burn the spinnerbait a little bit here. Try to cover some ground. Oh my god! What the heck, bro? Why did a carp just jump straight up? That was a carp. Wait, what's he doing? That scared the absolute shit out of me, no joke. Come on, fish. Where we at, fish? There's one. Got him. Oh, man. What the heck? Jeez, almost fell. Something hit it right next to the bank. Let's go, new pond. Let's go. That is a short yet stocky ass fish. Guggen Squad Zinger, dude. Hit that right next to the bank and just took off. Let's go. That is a stocky fish. We're gonna get a couple pictures of this guy. Let's get out the big camera. But on this Guggen Squad Zinger with the Catchco Shimmer Swimmer on the back in the stained water, I really like. Jeez, it's stuck in there. I really like the Shimmer Swimmer because the light's gonna reflect off it, especially in this murky water. It's really gonna get their attention. And Buddy was just sitting on the bank. And that is a short yet very stocky fish. That is the fattest, smallest fish I've ever seen though. That is so odd. Let's get a quick picture of this guy. All right, guys, so fish number 1 of the day. Can't complain, really. I mean, it's such a short fish, but so stocky, which is so weird. Like, she's super wide, but so short. Just odd. So I'm definitely gonna get a weight on her then. But like I said, guys, on the Zinger, Guggen Squad Zinger, 10,000 fish, Shimmer Swimmer on the back, all that white combo, pretty nasty. Like I said, check the link in the description down below to pick up some of these. But nonetheless, that is a beautiful fish nonetheless. But time to get some more. We're gonna get a quick weight. I mean, this fish is pretty heavy for like being that small. All right, we're gonna double check it just in case the scale's off. Always want to do that. You never know sometimes with the scale, so once we get 2 correct numbers, which I think we're doing right now. Yep, 3 pounds 11 ounces. Now I'm quite surprised. This fish is so short, but very stocky. So hopefully you guys can see me okay. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad, but not a bad fish. We're gonna put her back and we're gonna get some more, baby. Let's go. Beautiful bass right here. 3 pounds 11 ounces, I think I said. So not a bad fish whatsoever. And we just got here on the zinger, man. She wanted it. And look at that, look how stained this water is too. Oh, she's ready to go. Let's go, boys. That's huge. That's huge. Big old pond behind me. I barely even fished any of it so far. Super murky, which is why I want to toss that spinnerbait. And that's fish number 1. It's been a long day so far. This is pond number 3. But you know what? This is a new spot I can be coming to now. And we're going to keep fishing. We're going to try to catch some more fish. That was so exciting. Let's go. Crazy about that catch was, no joke, that fish was literally sitting on the bank, literally right here. If I was in a clear water pond, 100% I would have spooked him when I got here. But because this is so like dirty, I mean, there could be a fish right here and he wouldn't see me and I wouldn't see him. And he hit that right at the bank. I mean, 3-pounder, almost a 4, hitting that at the bank. And that was definitely one of the shortest fishes I've caught, but it was so stocky. Right there at the bank. Oh my God. No, we got off. Fuck. That was another good fish. Guys, that was another good fish. And he hit it right at the bank again. Just like that last one. I'm so pissed right now, you guys. So pissed. Over where? To my left or over here or over there? I'll watch out for him, but I don't see him right now. Thank you, though. I'll stay clear if I see him, though. This is? There's no signs anywhere. Yeah, it looks like it ends right here, though. Yeah, I'll move down. Sorry about that. Call that private property. You can see the property lines. I don't know what she's on, bro. This is, you guys are wondering, I am not on private property right now. Like, no joke, like, there's not one sign. Property lines run from here to here. You can see where their properties end. This is all public. You can see it from Google Maps, so. I mean, I'm not gonna cause a nuisance, so. I know I wasn't on a property though, so I don't know what she's on, but some people, man, they just don't like fishermen. You know, if you guys can see right now, see this fence right here? This fence goes, like, it goes all the way down here. Everyone's yard ends on that line. So all this right here, and on Google Maps, all this area is public. There's not one sign anywhere. See, if I step right there, that's on their property. Right now, I am not on anyone's property right now. This is not their land, so she just has a problem with fishermen, but it's all right, you know, can't do anything about it. You guys know how homeowners are. Crazy, bro. Well, today sucked. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I couldn't get on the bite today. I don't know if it was just me. You know, maybe it was just me. Maybe the bite was just slow today. That's what I'm hoping. But I mean, I hit like 5 or 6 ponds, which you obviously didn't see all on camera. And I did find that new one though, which I caught that first fish right next to the bank, and then like the next guy's lost that fish next to the bank. That might have been even bigger, so I was super pissed about that. It's nice to get a new pond though, because now I can go back there, which is pretty cool. But it's a very weird shallow pond, so I really don't know how good that pond truly is. Maybe I just had a good day there. Not too sure. The whole thing with that lady trying to kick me off of the public property was just ridiculous. Like guys, I sneak in to ponds all the time when there's signs, no fishing, no trespassing. I do it, you know? I'm trying to get some fish, you know what I'm saying? So I sneak in. But this had nothing. I looked public to me, and then when I got there, not a sign, not a damn sign. And the best part was, all of her neighbors and every single house, all their property lines ended probably like 15 feet from the bank, and you can tell because most of them had fences, and all the grass was cut until a certain part, right? So I knew it wasn't her property. I could see where her property ended. I was walking by, and she didn't say anything at first, and then a couple minutes later, she's like, hey, watch out, you know, she was telling me about I should move because of the ducks are there, because there's like a nest of ducks. There weren't any ducks there. I mean, I would have seen them. I think she wanted me to move because of that, and I didn't, you know. I was like, what is Karen talking about? A couple minutes later goes by, she's like, oh, you know, all of a sudden, oh, wait a second, you're on my property, get off. And then like I didn't want to be like, no, this is public property, I'm staying here, I'm setting my foot in the ground, you know. I didn't want to cause any drama, though I would have liked to. It would have been kind of interesting to see how that turned out. I was just like, I mean, I just kind of said like, it's public property, but I'll move, you know. I mean, it was pretty clear, and I hope you guys can see on the GoPro shots that it was not her property. It was so clear. There were at least 2 other homeowners that were outside that I walked past. Like, I walked past their property on the public land. They didn't say a single word. So it was pretty clear that it wasn't her property. Like, it's not like she has extended property. I can literally see where it ended. So she can, I can't say that. Thanks, Karen, for turning this into a video for me. But yeah, you know, today was just a bad day, man. I mean, I just didn't get on the fish today. Got on that one. I was happy to at least get bit on the Catch Co Shimmer Swimmer with the Google Squad Zinger. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please hit that thumbs up button down below. Even though we didn't do well, it happens, especially when I'm a mediocre fisherman at best, so I don't catch that many fish to begin with. And hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you for the non-stop love and support. Once again, this video was sponsored by Catch Co. Was throwing their stuff today, and I know I didn't catch a lot on the Catch Co stuff today, but I feel like my last couple videos, I've been catching so many fish on the Shimmer Swimmer. That bait is seriously no joke. So please comment down below if you got some, if you're catching fish on them, if you want to pick some up, and click that link as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you so much, Karen, for turning this into a video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We got some interesting stuff coming up on the channel, so thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.